Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to create TikTok pools, like from the TikTok camera. The first step is go to TikTok, and here in your feed you need to go to the option of your profile, and after that in your profile page you need to go to here in the button of create. And here in create, you can take a photo or make a video, and for the background of the pool. So I take a photo, for example, and after that here in the options in the right side of the screen, you need to pick in stickers, and here in the stickers you need to pick here in the sticker of pool. So here you complete the process. The only thing you need to do is create type in that pool you want to do. For example, who is more tall, or who what movie is better than that, and that kind of things that depends to you, but you can do in that form. You type in here the title of the pool, you pick in done, and you put your posted your pool. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.